Hello and welcome back. In this video, I want to show you the Facebook group you will join. Members of the course receive exclusive entry. This is a members only private Facebook group. In this group, you will have access to exclusive videos and creative content. I will be posting on a regular basis. You will also have access to post whenever you would like about content related to the course uh, and questions related to the course. Whenever you need answers, you can post within this group and you'll find that there will be a lot of support. I will be very active in this group, answering questions, providing feedback, and just being available. So just a great way for me to communicate with everybody at once or individually. You will be able to share, like I said, ideas with others in the course. This is great because support is a huge part of winning and success when you're selling on Amazon or trying to learn the process. You will be able to share information with everybody in the group, ask anybody questions. Some people will be more advanced than others. I know in the beginning I wasn't. I had to learn a lot, but eventually within a few weeks, I felt a lot more advanced and that I had learned a lot. So I used the group to help others and answer a lot of questions, and that also taught me. I will be adding regularly to the course, and I will probably put it in this group first before it gets to the course itself. If Amazon make any changes that my students need to be aware of, any updates that are going on, any policy changes or terms of service changes, I will be updating everybody via the group, via video or post. So how to find that group? Simply jump onto your Facebook account, type in Amazon Selling Hustle or Amazon Selling Hustle Crash Course. The group will come up. If you like the group, I'm just going to check your reference name and information that you are part of the course, and you will gain access right away. And then you can post your feeds and everything like that. The group isn't for spam, so please don't spam anybody while in the group or solicit while in the group, but you can practically do anything else that you want to do while you're in the group. I will monitor it and ensure that everything is efficient, safe, and there's no irritation that's going on. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.